Hi everybody, it's me Samira. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I cook African food, aka Tanzania food. So today video we're gonna be cooking African food, and up here like at the kitchen it's gonna be a little bit annoying because my little sister's gonna be watching TV, so it's gonna be like a little bit of annoying. But yeah, so today's video I'm gonna be cooking African food, and I want to show you guys how we cook African food by Tanzania food. So because there's like a lot of countries in African, so yeah. I'm at the kitchen again, guys. It's gonna be a little bit annoying because my little sisters are watching TV. So yeah, I'm here at the kitchen. Here's the place we're gonna be cooking African food. So this is Ndagala. Ndagala is like African food. So this is Ndagala. I'm gonna be cooking Ndagala and Fufu. So this is Ndagala. This is gonna be the first thing we're gonna cook. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It's Ndagala. So this is how. So Ndagala is a dry fish we put on the sun, and it turned out to be like this, and we call it Ndagala. I already put Ndagala in water. It's hot water because the second reason is if it's too dry, it's not good. So that's why I'm putting it in water. Guys, I already put oil and it's ready to go. I already took the water off. The next step is I just have to wash again and put salt. I need to put salt to make it taste better. So I already put salt. Now I'm just gonna put this the gala to the oil. So yeah. Okay, so this is frying. This I'm frying it. Okay, while it's cooking it itself, I'm gonna go to cut some tomatoes and onions. So here's the place we're gonna cook the tomatoes and onions. I'm gonna put the onions and the gala so they all came fried together and end up all cooking together. So yeah. Okay, so I already finished putting the onions. Now I'm gonna put the fire on so it can't cook because I turned off the fire. I didn't want it to cook because I want to put onions and the color together so they all can cook together. So while it's cooking, I'm gonna cut some tomatoes. So when it's already finished cooking, it's gonna turn red. That's how you know it's ready to go. So I already blended the tomato. Now I'm just gonna put it into the gala. So I put salt and tomatoes in it. It's looking so good. I don't know why it's not looking better on the camera, but it's looking so good. I like how it's turning out. So yeah, guys, that's the gala. That's how you cook in the gala. So the tomato is already ready cooked. So I'm just gonna put water in it because we need a little soup to eat with fufu. So then the gala is cooking. So I feel like we're waiting for the next step. It's fufu. We're gonna be cooking fufu. Guys, I'm sorry if you guys hearing any background. It's my little sisters. They're playing. But anyway, so it's looking good actually. So yeah, then the gala I'm gonna put the another side so I can put fufu here, water to cook fufu. So yeah, I put the another side. This is it's already cooked. Again guys, sorry for the background. It's my little sisters. They're watching TV. This is Emily. Emily, say hi.
Hi.
Here, let me pick her. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, that's Emily. So yeah guys, the next step is fufu. Because if you cook like in the gala, you gotta have fufu to eat with it. So I put the water here. So it's getting ready. And I'm gonna clean around because I put a little bit of mess. So I'm gonna clean, then I'm gonna come back. This is the I'm gonna use for fufu. I don't know what to call it in America. This is bunga in Swahili. I'm gonna use to make the fufu. It's corn. They make it as a corn. It comes as like this. So I'm gonna use this to make the fufu. Okay, so I gotta pretend like I'm making porridge. So this is how I'm gonna start by making fufu. Welcome to Africa. These are my little sisters. They're the one who's making all those noises. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
The gala, it's already looking good. It's already finished. I know, guys, it doesn't look good on the camera, but in real life, it's buzzing. It's very good. So that's finished. So now I'm just cooking fufu, which I'm waiting for it to get ready. Okay, for the one, I'm just gonna call it corn because I don't know. It's made of corn. I just don't know the name of the flour. I just don't know the name of it, so I'm just gonna call it corn. So I'm about to start cooking the fufu. Okay guys, so I finished cooking fufu. It's looking good. So yeah, this is how you make African food. So I end up eating eggs with fufu. I didn't want to eat in the gala today. So yeah guys, this is what I end up eating instead of the gala and the fufu. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure you like and subscribe and share in the comment. So yeah, bye everybody.